Children, very warm and welcoming good morning. It is my privilege to be your lovely teacher. I am going to talk to you people today about the first chapter of class 9th, that is of Beehive. The name of this chapter is The Fun They Had. And this chapter, children, has been written by Isaac Asimov. थोड़ा सा आपको इनके बारे में बताना चाहूँगा कि आइजैक एसिमोव जो है एक अमेरिकन राइटर हैं और बच्चों ए पेट्रोविची के रसिया में पैदा हुए थे और वहाँ से स्टडी करके जब लास्ट में मरे थे तो बच्चों अमेरिका के ब्रुकलिन में मरे थे और इन्होंने लगभग 500 किताबों का संचयन किया है, लिखा है। बहुत बड़े अनुवादक थे, बहुत बड़े क्या कहते हैं कि जर्नलिस्ट थे और बहुत शानदारी से बहुत चीज़ें लिखी हैं। और जो हम इनका लेसन पढ़ने जा रहे हैं बच्चों, जिसको हम फन दे हैड है, ये इनकी शॉर्ट स्टोरी है, छोटी सी एक कहानी है। तो दिस वाज अबाउट द ऑथर। नाउ लेट अस कम टू नो अबाउट द लेसन द फन दे हैड। चिल्ड्रन, इन दिस लेसन देयर आर मेनली 5 characters. As far as characters are concerned, Margie is the main character. She is a girl. Tommy is her brother and he is a boy. He is the character. Then there is County Inspector, who has been called by Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones is the mother of Tommy and Margie. And these are the 4 main characters. Then there are minor characters. Children, there is referential characters, that is the grandfather, and some other referential characters of old time school. Now let us talk about the summary. This lesson starts by finding a book, where Tommy finds a book and that book is on school. When Tommy talks to Margie, Margie is very much interested that how is school so interesting? Why did people will study and write book about school? Their books are basically computerized book. They are studying on electronic media. As we are running the online classes, such type of things were there in their life. They used to study in that manner. That's why the children, they were not able to know about the current school life, where this was written on a book, and this boy, Tommy, was not letting her sister study. And her sister Margie insisted Tommy to let her study. That was a book that was printed on pages, and the printing on page was continuous, the same written content, same written information which was written 100 years, 2000 years earlier, that will be same till today. While on the screen, the book's pages are always changing, the content are always upgrading and changing. This is the difference, children. Here what happens exactly and accurately, the child who was reading the book was crinky one, and they were talking about the school, the old school, the school where their grandfather used to study. In those days, where the school used to be at a big building, and the children of all surrounding used to go to the school by vehicles, by bicycle, by buses, or by feet themselves. And when they used to go to school, they used to have various activities over there. They used to play, they used to study, they used to give lecture, they used to participate in debates and declamations, in speeches. And in spite of that, they used to play various games. And games were there at this school level, then they are at their tahsil level, their district level, their state level, then their national level, their international level. So that was the really useful and enjoyable life, where they used to be in group, in society, in social group, in group of some people. And students nowadays studying in one room. There is a school of their living room or their bedroom or some room is there, where they are having a computer screen and where they are having a computer softwares, computer hardwares, and where that the study time they used to open it, and the teacher appears as mechanical teacher. That he used to give them homework, he used to teach them, and he used to ask their problems, doubts, and then that way. Then Margie talks to Tommy that it is very inconvenient to have an unknown man to be the teacher at our home. But Tommy told her in a different manner. Children, here they are studying on computer and computer teacher, the software is there. Sometimes there was problem in Tommy's teacher. Then county inspector came and county inspector took Tommy's teacher for some times and rectified it. Now Margie was doing very bad in geography sector. So Mrs. Jones, her mother, called county inspector. County inspector came. He was a short and healthy man. He gave Margie an apple and smiled at her. Then county inspector took his instruments and checked the Margie's teacher. And what he observed, that the geography sector was of high level. It was not so easy to understand Margie easily and clearly. So Margie teacher was rectified, while Margie was hoping that her teacher would be taken away and she would be free from homework for a few days, for a few months. But it was not so. Then Mrs. Jones asked the children. Again the county inspector smiled at Margie and patted her and told Mrs. Jones that this was not her fault. The fault was of the slot where geography sector was of upper level. That's why the child was not able to perform well. After that, children, Mrs. Jones asked them to go to the study time, and they went to their study time. Then this girl, Margie, insisted her brother Tommy to let her study after school is over. Then later, after school was over, they talked about the same. As we discussed earlier, they came to know every aspect of current school which we are having. And it was really enjoyable, where the teacher used to teach. Then they talks about the teacher that as much as our father know, as much as the other person can know. Those person were the human being teachers. They used to teach children. They used to have support them, has to have make them understand and solve their problems. This way the children and the teachers were emotionally and they are very affectionately attached. And that's why the teachers and students used to study in a very sincere manner. Here children, Tommy and Margie concluded, and what Isaac Asimov want to convey this message, that instrumentation can be there, instrumented learning can be there, but a human approach which is very essential for teaching learning process cannot be replaced. This was all about the chapter. May God bless you. May success marry you. Have a very lovely day, children.